Hey everybody, my name is Carl. Welcome to Motorscat. Today I'm going to show you how to change the gear knob on my 2012 Peugeot RCZ. As you can see, the standard one is this leather imitation, pretty generic, standard stock gear knob. And I'm going to replace it with this shiny aluminum accessory gear knob. Looks much nicer, it feels much heavier, it is heavier. I'm going to put this one on here. So this new aluminum gear knob is standard on many different Peugeots, like the 208, GTI, RCZ, GT line, RCZR. So you can have it also as an accessory for this car and replace this horrible stock gear knob. So how do we do this? Pretty simple. Just hold on to the gear lever, hold the knob, and just pull. And there you go. You can see that actually it's just held by this T-shaped gear lever here. So the new one has obviously the same shape. All you have to do is to push this back in here. Push it in until you hear a click. And there you go. Job done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be putting the parts number, the Peugeot parts number below in the description box. So obviously this was a very simple DIY, just changing out the gear knob, but I'll be doing more stuff as the time goes on, servicing as well. So stay tuned. Until next time.